this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel today. Today we are talking about 5 of most beautiful places in Singapore and come to share the wonderfulness of it with you. So let's talk about it soon. First one, Sentosa. Sentosa is an island resort of Singapore's southern coast, connected to the city by road, cable car, pedestrian, boatwalk and monorail. While Sentosa Station features sky tower and panoramic views that can stretch as far as Indonesia. On the south coast, Palawan Beach is linked with food stall and bars and has a suspension bridge to a small offshore island. Plan-like crescent-shaped Tanjong Beach is more tranquil. Second one is Singapore Botanic Garden. The Botanic Garden in Singapore is the country's first UNESCO heritage site, established in 1859. It features the National Orchid Gardens, SVG Heritage Museum, CDL Green Gallery, Jacob Bowler's Children's Garden and restaurant and cafes. The National Orchid Garden has over 1,000 species and 2,000 hybrids, while Swan Lake is home to aquatic plants and fishes. The SPG Heritage Museum showcases the garden's history and role in establishing Singapore early industries. Third one, Garden by the Bay. Garden by the Bay is sanctuary for nature lovers and budding horticulturalists in Singapore. It is composed of 3 distinct spaces over 101 hectares and has won multiple accolades since its first opened in 2020. The Flower Dome is Bay South Garden is the largest of 3 cold conservatories and is home to plants and flowers from 5 continents. Floral Fantasy is the second of the garden's 3 indoor conservatories and delves into realms of both history and fantasy. Fruit Forest is a mist-filled landscape of rare vegetation and dramatic vistas, while Super Tree Grove is a grove of soaring cereal structures 25 to 50 meters in height. The Floral Clock is a work that fused horology with the culture and the Far East organization. Children's Garden is a place for children to explore water features and interactive playscapes. Margaret offers contemporary cuisine and heritage garden weaves a narrative tapestry of Singapore passed through its collection of foods, plants and flora. The Sun Pavilion is home to over 1,000 desert plants. Fourth one, Orchard Road. Orchard Road is Singapore retail heart with discount outlet, department store and upscale boutiques alongside luxury hotels. Emerald Hill Road is a mix of colorful Chinese baroque houses and casual pubs, while all fresco bars and eateries can be found along nearby Copage Terrace. The Newtown Food Center is a popular food hub offering everything from barbecued seafood and roasted meats to traditional dessert. Last one, Chinatown. Chinatown's maze of narrow roads include Chinatown's food street with its restaurants serving traditional fare like Hainanese chicken rice noodles and satay. Souvenir shops and indie boutiques dot the area offering clothes, craft and antiques, while Club Street is full of trendy wine bars. Cultural institutions here include the 1827 Sri Mariamman Temple and the Honored Buddha Two Relic Temple and Museum. See you again in another video like this. If there are people who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe soon and join us. Bye bye.